hey, thanks for checking out the video. If you all like it, please like and subscribe, and hope you all enjoy it. Have a great rest of the day.
Just not quite charred all the way through.
Like your wooden shoes that Daddy got you at home? Yeah, that was hard, wasn't it? That's a pretty door knocker.
So we'll look at the very bottom of it where we followed it. So let's spread that bottom and then see what starts. Remember, you're not going to try to get as wide as the other. You just want it to have a nice taper.
That's like this.
Primarily by women and children since about 1500 into the 1800s when rubber galoshes were invented. So they're sort of the predecessor of rubber galoshes. So they kind of an overshoe, so they would wear them over their actual good shoe to get that little bit of distance out of the mud and water, and also help the ladies' dresses from dragging. Some were several inches taller than this. A lot of varieties
You may touch it, it's okay.
Something you probably can't
It's
read.
not hot.
That's stuff.
Yeah, just watch it. Be sure and watch your tip.
I've got
your
the
end,
I got the end out.
Horseshoe?
That goes on the kill just there. You can stick it in there.
Oh.